Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to break stuff. Alright, well today you're joining us as we're not doing any racing today, but we're going to be doing some more setup stuff. As you can see, we're pulling Sharon's car out the trailer right now. We did go for a little test and tune out at Coastal Plains Dragway, but it didn't really go so well. We had a few issues. But what we did get is we got some stuff. We're going to redo this trailer, and we're going to try to get Sharon's car set up today to where we can tow that trailer with Sharon's car. Let's see what we get into. So we're about to play vehicle Tetris here with my little pickup truck, Sharon's car, my car, my sister's car, all that kind of stuff. And Heather, ha! Caught you.
Like Bigfoot.
Yeah, we gotta play some Tetris over here, get some things moved around, and then this whole mess up in the front of this trailer is gonna be completely redone so it doesn't look like this anymore, and we can actually use it. Is the cabinet coming out in one piece?
Probably not. It came out once in one piece. I'm not saying it's gonna happen again.
I don't think it came out in one piece the last time.
Yeah, when we did the floor, it came out in one piece.
I don't know, I have this really sneaky suspicion that there's a hammer down there and you're going to use it. All right, and with that, cue the time lapse. I come around the corner and I see this. I guess we're not taking it out in one piece? Oh, I'm sorry, what was that for our family-friendly audience?
Sorry.
Yeah, yep. Okay. This is gonna end nothing but well. Well, it pulled up the floor a little bit, but that's because we put it down with wet paint. Step one complete.
Step one complete.
Time to put the ice press. Hey. I can English. Ice chest.
Yeah, we'll have to measure. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit because that's kind of like an angle. It's not a sharp corner.
It'll be all right. I got a Sawzall. It says it'll fit. All right, we'll get it done. Well, our new freezer's in. This is gonna work great. Tons and tons. Look at all that ice we can fit in there. Hot dogs and hamburgers going here, right?
That's right.
That was the worst southern accent ever.
Whatever. Yeah, no, this is gonna be pretty cool.
And the only problem that we have now, it's going to get real dirty. The only problem that we have now is that we have the tires there, and that works, but we still have all of this stuff, plus all of this stuff that we take with us whenever, anytime we go racing. So we gotta find a way to store all of that. So we're gonna go and have a real rethink, right?
Yeah, brainstorming.
Maybe get some food, do a rethink, drop a bunch of stuff off at the dump, and we'll continue this back on when we figure it out.
Sounds good.
Yeah, we'll see when we figure this thing out. Okay, so while we were having a rethink on what we were going to do with the trailer here, I decided to take a little bit of time, and we're going to put the trailer hitch on Sharon's car, because we did the parachute mount to do a trailer hitch because there was no trailer hitch available for the CTS-v. Somebody that we know, or that we met through the Race Weekers group, took a regular CTS coupe trailer hitch and managed to modify it and put it on the CTS-v. So we ordered one with a light kit, and we're going to try that out and see how that works. Alright, so that's all done. We had to do a little bit of modification, but we do have a trailer hitch and a light kit that works for the CTS-v. We've already hooked the trailer to it, so it looks like we're going to be okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to try that out, but we're going to wait till later on tonight for that. Alright, so the trailer hitch is on, and we're back working on the trailer. What we decided to do was we were going to put a toolbox in the trailer. It's like it's a big standard toolbox that you're going to get. We're going to put one of those in there, and we can put the tires on top of it and strap those down, and then we'll put it off the wall a little bit to make some space. You'll see what we're going to do there, but we just picked up one of these. It's a scratch and dent special from Lowe's. So it's got a dent here, and dent here, dent here, and then another one down here. But all the drawers work just fine. They're actually soft close drawers, so it's actually kind of cool. Whether they're going to stay soft closed, bouncing around the trailer, I don't know. But we weren't really worried about the dents because it's going to be going in the trailer. So yeah, we're going to put that in and get it all fixed up and get it all working. Alright, so we went and took the car for a ride with the trailer after we got everything situated. We wanted to do it before the sun went down. So the sun went down now, but as you can see, we've got the trailer pretty good and situated here. Obviously that pile of stuff is going to move. Some of that goes in the bed of the truck when we drive. So it just lives in here while the trailer's stationary. But that's it for the trailer.
Alright guys, so we got the trailer hitch on the car and got all the light kit pieces installed and got the trailer hooked up and towed it about, what, 1.5 miles?
About 2.
About 2 miles down the road to...
Well, first thing we gotta do is we gotta get it washed.
Gotta wash it because it's been sitting, kind of hanging out next to the garage and then over in the wooded area. And gotta get her all squeaky clean. Got some decals put on there. Gotta test it out, make sure she rides all right. And then everything is good, but so far so good. Have you ever seen a purple Cadillac towing a little mini white trailer? Oh, God help us.
So Sharon has never driven with a trailer before, and she was adamant that she drive Rocky Mountain Race Week just as much as I did. So she's in a parking lot right now learning how to drive with a trailer, just kind of what it feels like. I will say it's a very funny thing to watch that little car pull that teeny tiny little trailer. Oh, she's going between all the other cars. Okay. Oh, she's coming around this way. Well, either we'll bring you the footage when we are done with this, or we'll bring you the footage of the car wreck she gets into. One way or the other should be a good time. That's going to end our trailer video, but I'm going to insert the stuff of us redoing the little trailer before we head on out to Rockingham for a test and tune session, because it's only a couple minutes. Good morning, all 67 of you people that are actually watching this video. Today, we are going to be redoing the trailer for Rocky Mountain Race Week. Okay, so Rocky Mountain Race Week is very quickly approaching. We only have less than 4 weeks away. We still have a lot of work to do, not quite as much as some other people have to do that are in the race. I mean, we've seen guys with cars that still don't have engines in them yet that are going to make the starting line, I guarantee it. We have it a little bit easier, but still have stuff to do. So, first thing is today we're going to be taking the decals that came with the trailer off the trailer and putting some of our own decals on there. Then we have to load it, pack everything in there, see just how we have to pack it all. We have to get a cooler that's going to fit in there with everything we pack in. And we have to weigh it to make sure that it's not too heavy for Sharon's car. I don't want to have the car anything more than like 1,000 pounds on the back of it. So we got to try to keep the weight down. But right now we're just going to get into taking the decals off and all that kind of good stuff. So Sharon's going to start by taking off this decal. We've got our professional heat gun. Made by Revlon. Please tell me it's made by Revlon.
Yes.
It is made by Revlon.
The iconic Revlon.
The iconic Revlon, yeah.
And it's pink, so, you know.
Perfect, even better. Just maybe we should spray paint that purple.
With the purple glitter stuff?
Yeah, we got purple glitter spray paint. I wonder how it would hold up to a heat gun. So this is the decals that are on the trailer. Obviously, the trailer is made by Homesteader, and every single side of the trailer has something that says Homesteader. But we paid full price for this guy. They didn't give us anything for free. So we're going to make it our own. We have no need to advertise for Homestead right now. Hey, I was thinking.
Yeah.
You want to paint the wheels purple? We have that purple metallic paint. We can paint the wheels purple metallic.
Maybe.
I wasn't serious. Uh-oh. Alright, and there you have it. We took off all the decals we didn't want. Homesteaders out the front, and we added our Rocky Mountain Race Week decals, one on each side. Took off all the extra stuff. Back door is completely barren now. So now, phase 2, same thing we do every year, or every time, and I guess it's going to be a tradition, is we're going to go and get all the stuff out of this trailer and put it into this trailer so that we can see how we pack it. Alright, and just like for 2.0, this is what we have for Rocky Mountain Race Week 1.0. The only thing we're missing is we're going to have one more of these fuel cans right here, go right next to it. But as you can see, there's plenty of space for it. We actually have tons of space left in the trailer. It's not nearly as packed as it could be. Cool thing is we managed to get tires up in the front, and they're going to weigh more than all the stuff that's back here in the back. We have the toolbox. It's full, and the generator sitting basically directly over the rear axle, so that should distribute the weight perfectly there. The only thing we have left to do is bring it to my buddy's shop and weigh it. I'm thinking it's going to be somewhere around the I don't know, 1,000 pound mark. What's your guess?
I'm going to say 1,050.
1,050?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we're going to find out in a little while when we can bring it over to my buddy's shop and put it on the scales. But I think we're almost ready to go. We ordered some decals we're going to put on the trailer down there by the Fury logo. So when those come in, we'll put those on. And we got a new sand pad for the front of it. But I think we're good to go. So all we have left to do now is just put some shocks on it, mow the grass, put shocks on it, put the hitch back on it, and we'll be ready for our test run to Rockingham, right?
Yeah, it should be interesting.
Oh, it's going to be interesting because you're driving it. All right, guys, we never really did film an outro for that video. We were going to take the trailer over to my buddy's shop, and then life got in the way, so we never actually made it. So we did make it to Rockingham. That's coming up in the next video, is the whole Rockingham test and tune. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.